In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to get Palmpay Debit card. So they just launched their ATM card, which of course anyone that have a Palmpay account can be able to apply for the card. So all you just need to do is just log into your Palmpay account on your mobile device, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Then scroll down to where you see services right here. Then you're gonna see ATM card, which is new. You can see right there. So just click on the ATM card. Then it's gonna take you straight down to this page right here. Then you can see this pop-up that you got a 1,500 naira for card purchase. So you can click on use now, and if you don't see this pop-up, that's not your problem. So let me click on use now, and then you're gonna see free usage, 15 free ATM withdrawal monthly, 0 maintenance fee, online merchant acceptance, and then some other stuff. You can see no delay refund. If the transaction is not completed, you can actually get a refund instantly. So you have to click on agree to Palmpay debit card terms and conditions before you be able to proceed on to click for home delivery. Then on the next page right here, you can see your details, and then you see how much it's gonna cost you to get the Palmpay debit card. So you can also see the 1,500 they said they gave you, which of course is applied to your application when you're trying to apply for your card. And if the 1,500 is not there, that means you have to be paying over 3,000 for the ATM card, which of course that's way too much. But then I think this also include the card delivery to your doorstep. So they're gonna call you based on the address you provided and you are trying to apply for the card. So I think that's not a bad idea. But then if the 1,500 bonus is not included, then that's gonna be a lot. So then once you are okay with it, just click on pay the exact amount you are seeing down below on your own account. So once you click on pay, you're gonna see the pop-up right here. So the original price is 3,499 naira, almost 3,500, and then you can see the coupon code that was added, the original amount, and then how much you have to pay. So once you are done, just click on confirm to pay, then you can proceed to pay the money as it's stated on your own account. Then they'll give you a call once the card arrive to your destination or to your state, and then you can get it from the dispatch rider.